So today let us continue with the Python programming. We are going to do a Python program to calculate kinetic energy. We all know the formula for kinetic energy. It is half mv square. It means half into m into v. This way we have to form the expression, because in general mathematics, when you don't write anything between two variables, it is understood that it is multiplication. But here in Python programming, you have to give the multiplication operator between them. So let us begin with the program. First line, mass is equals to float. Input, enter the mass. You are accepting the value for the mass. Mass is on the right hand side of the formula. So on the right hand side we have two variables, m and v. So whatever we have on the right hand side, we will accept. Whatever is there on the left hand side of the assignment operator, we will calculate. So kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. It means we will accept two values from the user, and you already know how to accept the values from the user. It is with the help of input function. We know the rule. Input is a function which is used to accept value from the user. But whatever user enters the value, it is always in the form of a string. And on string, calculations are not allowed. So we have to convert it either in int or in float. So here the first statement, mass is equals to float. Input, enter the mass. So enter the mass is the prompt which will be there on the screen as it is. It will wait for the user to enter some value. Once the user has entered a certain value, it will be converted to float, and then that converted value will be saved in the variable mass. Second, velocity is equals to float. Input, enter the velocity. So we are accepting the value of velocity, converting it into float, and saving it into the variable velocity. Can I use m and v instead of mass and velocity? Do we have the right to change the name of the variables? Yes, we can. Instead of mass, I can use m. Instead of velocity, I can use v. So variables are identifiers which we create. So names are up to us, but just remember the rules which we have done, but it should be readable also. So third line, for kinetic energy, we have created a variable Ke. Kinetic energy is equals to, now the formula is half mv square. We have to convert this formula into the proper expression so that Python can understand it. Half means 0.5 into mass is the name of the variable, into v square. For v square we are writing velocity into velocity. We have other method also, we will discuss it later on. Once the calculations are done, the expressions is solved, and the value will be saved into the Ke, which is on the left hand side of the assignment operator. After that, we will print the value of kinetic energy with the help of which function? Print function. So we are writing here print kinetic energy is, it is in double quotes, so it will be printed as it is, comma Ke. Ke is the name of a variable, its value will be printed.